Hey guys, making a video. For those of you wondering, maybe, I don't know. My engine here. It's got no engine, its engine's right here. So anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to show you how to adjust your timing on your engine. So this is on synchro balanced and counterbalance, and all that. So take out all the bolts on the bottom. Make sure you don't lose the washers or any parts to them. Okay, so I'm going to just set down the camera because I got all the bolts out. Now, to get it off, you're just going to want to simply pull up on it or hit it a bit with the rubber mallet. But don't stick your screwdriver in there, you'll wreck your water. So, mine will just pull off and be good. Nope. It's not going to be good. Sometimes they're pretty tough to get off. Tap nice and softly, and it'll be good for you. There we go. Got her off. Alright guys, so you got the bottom block off. Here's what it looks like inside. My counterbalanced, or no, this is a synchro balanced. No, this is counterbalanced, yeah. So it doesn't look too bad inside. Pretty good. Great, my gasket's a bit screwed. I'm gonna have to get a new gasket for this baby. Well, we'll still adjust the timing. Okay. So to do that, pull off your little oil slinger. Pay close attention to how these things go in there. Very close attention. Then pop your camshaft out. Let's see. Where's my little dot? There it is, right there. Where's my little dot on my big one? Where is it? Oh, there it is, right there. Okay. So, to do this, I'm going to go get a cloth. Right beside me. Alright, I'll clean the surface off so you can see, and I'll show you how you do this. Okay, so you're going to have a little dot there and a little dot there on your camshaft and your crankshaft, and you're just going to want to pull out your camshaft and line it up with the exact dot on your other shaft there, and then just plop it in. Simple. And I'm not going to do it because I can't do it with one hand. So that's basically all you're going to do. Hope it was helpful to some people, and make sure when you're done this, fill up your oil again. You don't want to blow your engine.